In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add Lorem Ipsum text in Figma, also known as Greek or placeholder text. I have a blank Figma file open, and I want to add some placeholder text in a text box on this file. We are first going to install a plugin called Lorem Ipsum. So go up to Plugins and Manage Plugins. Now do a search for Lorem Ipsum. There are several Lorem Ipsum plugins. I'm just going to choose this top one, and it will install that plugin for you. This little Lorem Ipsum box should pop up. So now if I go to my text tool and draw a text box, this is now asking me how much Lorem Ipsum I want to put in. You can choose from Lorem Ipsum, you can put in fake data or real data. I'm going to do 2 paragraphs of text. So 2 paragraphs, and you can choose from characters, words, sentences, or paragraphs, and click generate. And there is my placeholder text. So that's how you can quickly add Lorem Ipsum text to any project in Figma. If you like this video, hit the thumbs up and leave me a comment below, and subscribe to Crye Studio for more Figma and graphic design tutorials. Thanks so much.